This YouTube channel earned over $30,000 in just 28 days by posting football shorts, racking up 195 million views in 1 month. The top-performing short alone hit 392 million views, generating nearly $8,000. Overall, the channel has surpassed an incredible 9 billion views. Make sure to watch the entire video. Every tip is key for monetization approval. Don't miss the game-changing bonus tip at the end. I'll show you how to increase your earnings, and unlike all those so-called gurus, I'll provide real examples. Let's dive in. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll reply to each one. I've also created a free PDF guide that covers everything in this video. The link is below. Let's get started by creating your channel and building your brand. If you've already done this part, feel free to skip ahead using the timestamps provided. For those starting fresh, here's how. Click on your profile icon in YouTube Studio, select Switch Account, and then click Create a Channel. Here's a pro tip. If you're having trouble coming up with a name, use ChatGPT. All I did was ask ChatGPT for brand name ideas, and it suggested several catchy options that perfectly align with the football niche. Once you've picked your name, it's time to craft a captivating channel description. Once again, ChatGPT is your go-to tool. Use it to generate an engaging bio that describes your channel's focus and purpose. Next, we'll customize the channel. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on Customization in the left-hand menu. Set your YouTube handle and paste the channel description. Here's where it gets exciting. Pay attention. This part is key. Now, add relevant tags that accurately describe your niche. This step helps YouTube's algorithm connect your content with your target audience and makes your channel easier to discover. To find the best tags, we'll use MAVIKAI, incredible tool for researching keywords. If you don't already have an account, use the link in the description to try it out. Navigate to the keyword research section. Type in phrases related to your niche, like controversial football moments. Aim for a mix of high and low competition keywords that align with your channel's focus. Add these tags to your channel to boost its visibility. To create a standout channel, you'll need a logo. Don't stress about making them overly complicated. Something simple and clear will work perfectly. If you're not sure where to start, ask ChatGPT to help generate a prompt for your logo. If you're subscribed to ChatGPT's Plus plan, you can even directly generate a logo there. However, I prefer using ideogram for logo creation. Copy the prompt you've received from ChatGPT and paste it into ideogram. Set the aspect ratio to square and hit Generate. Within a couple of minutes, you'll have a range of logos to choose from. Select the one that works best for you and upload it to your channel. Now that your channel branding is polished, it's time to tackle the most crucial part: creating your very first video. Here's where most YouTube automation experts would suggest you simply chop up football matches into smaller clips and upload them directly to YouTube. However, doing this will likely get your channel denied for monetization. Fortunately, there's still a way to make it work without getting flagged by YouTube's system. We'll dive into that later in this video. For now, you're probably wondering, where can you find high-quality football clips? Top football creators often use a website called Footballia, which hosts a massive library of football matches. The downside? Footballia doesn't have a direct download button for saving matches. But don't worry, there's a workaround for this that I'll explain shortly. Start by visiting the site and browsing through the matches to find clips that align with your video's theme or title. Some excellent topics for football videos include controversial decisions, thrilling match highlights, and the most entertaining games. To determine which video ideas resonate most with viewers, use a tool like vidIQ to analyze trending keywords and titles in the football niche. Once you've selected your videos, it's time to download them. Open your browser's network tab, play the video, and look for MP4 files in the network activity. Right-click the desired file, open it in a new tab, and click the 3 dots in the bottom right corner to download it. Simple and efficient. Let's tackle the critical topic of copyright infringement. It all comes down to 2 main steps: visually transforming the original video and adding value to it. These are the exact methods that allow creators to upload movie clips, sports footage, and other copyrighted material while still being able to monetize them. Here are a few strategies. Add commentary. Providing your own narration makes the video transformative and unique. Use text overlays. Add captions or explainers to describe what's happening on screen. Crop the video. Adjust the frame so that the clip looks visually distinct. There are also a couple of advanced editing techniques we'll discuss during the video editing section. If you choose to add commentary, consider using an AI voice tool like 11 Labs. Their hyper-realistic voices are almost indistinguishable from human ones, and you can pick a friendly, engaging tone that keeps viewers hooked. Once you've generated your voiceover, remove any awkward pauses to maintain a snappy and engaging pace. To do this, import your audio into the free Audacity software. Select the entire track, navigate to the effects menu, and choose Truncate Silence. Set a threshold, like -40 decibels, and hit Apply. This process will automatically eliminate all unnecessary pauses, ensuring your narration flows smoothly. With your match clips ready, it's time to create your first football short. For video editing, I personally recommend CapCut, a free and user-friendly editing tool that's perfect for beginners, yet powerful enough for advanced creators. Start by importing your downloaded clips into CapCut. Trim each clip to ensure wide-angle shots are no longer than 5 seconds, and close-up shots don't exceed 3 seconds. Another editing trick is to rearrange the sequence of clips to create a fresh narrative. For instance, take a series of 3 scenes and reorder them, starting with the last one. This small change can make a big difference in how the video feels. Next, visually transform the content further by cropping each clip to display less of the original footage. Then, add text overlays to highlight specific moments, for example, explaining an offside call or detailing a free kick situation. And the last step, to make shorts from our video, select all clips, right-click, and choose Compound Clip. Then select the 9:16 ratio. Adjust the clip to make it look harmonious. Once your edits are complete, export the video in 1080p at 60 FPS for a polished, high-quality look. With your video ready, it's time to optimize it for discovery. This step is crucial if you want your content to reach a wider audience. Use vidIQ to conduct keyword research. Be sure to include these optimized keywords and hashtags in your video's title and description to maximize visibility. And don't forget about the thumbnail. I use Canva to create thumbnails. With Canva, you can easily drag and drop elements to create thumbnails with high contrast that grab attention. Here's a secret that most football creators use. Capture screenshots of exciting moments in the football game, like right before something epic happens. Fans of football will click just to see what happens next. Another trick is to take screenshots of famous players celebrating a goal or victory. These images don't even need words because the players themselves are already recognizable. Once your thumbnail is ready, you can only update it on mobile, so make sure to do that before moving forward. Now let's talk about monetization. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's partner program. This will unlock ad revenue, which is especially lucrative in the football niche due to its higher RPM. With consistent uploads, you'll see your earnings grow quickly. But here's the game-changing tip I promised. Ad revenue is just one way to monetize your channel. Affiliate marketing can significantly boost your income. As promised, here's a real-life example. Just take a look at this Instagram page. It posts football highlights and makes money by selling jerseys. No, they don't manufacture them themselves, as you might have thought. Instead, they simply promote them. And whenever someone makes a purchase, they earn a 10% commission. But in some cases, this can go up to 50% of the jersey's price. Now, imagine how many people would buy a jersey if your video reached 1 million views. Moreover, you can promote not only t-shirts, but also mugs, magnets, and paintings. In one of my previous videos, I showed how much you can earn from this, so check it out by clicking the suggestion in the top right corner. Also, check out the videos on your screen now to dive deeper into YouTube automation and take your channel to the next level.